I think the big advantage of Calumet County, located in Wisconsin, is from a professional standpoint, it offers an entire array and variety of careers and professions. I'd be surprised if somebody could not find a career of choice or their career that they've dreamt about here in Calumet County with the variety. And then on top of it, it really, from a family aspect or a personal aspect, the amount of county and state parks that are in the area, the lakes, the rivers, the streams, I mean, there's no shortage of things to do outside.
Calumet County is the fastest growing county in the state since 2020 by percentage. And so a lot of other people have also found this county to be a wonderful place to live.
Wisconsin is who a lot of different states actually look to when it comes to education. I believe I just heard that 98% of our public schools actually participate in youth apprenticeships. We just are really founded in making sure that educators and students feel ready for the workforce.
Our regional sites really work to provide that outreach to our rural communities. We work really hard to provide education, training, meet the needs of our business and industry partners, and also our K-12 partners in what we do.
We are, very rural, small community, but I'll tell you what, we are blessed with a lot of very skilled people that grow up in the world of manufacturing. We have our own attraction as a brand, as an employer, but then just the region, we're drawing people in that maybe they're in Chicago or they're in Louisville, Kentucky, and they want to be in this part of America. We want to draw people in from all over.
We are fortunate to be surrounded by amazing business owners and entrepreneurs in this area. We're a little spread out in the county, but we shout out to each other. We try to send folks to each other's businesses. I feel like the more we can do that, the more we all rise. We're creating our dream, and others are too. I see this county as having so much potential. Diverse perspectives, interesting things to do. There's artists tucked into farmland.
If you love Four Seasons, Calumet County is where you want to be, because we really have recreational activities all year round. We have really good family-friendly apple orchards and pumpkin patches.
One of the many great things about Calumet County is you are 20 minutes from everywhere. You're 20 minutes from Appleton, you're 20 minutes from Manitowoc, you're 20 minutes from Chilton. A short drive to do everything you love. Golf courses, camping, everything is a 20-minute drive.
I was born in Mississippi and raised in a small town in Alabama. And from there I've lived in North Carolina and California and also South Korea and Nicaragua. Traveled extensively. When we first discussed moving to Wisconsin, I was pretty hesitant. But as soon as we drove into the Fox cities and discovered life on Lake Winnebago and the quaint community here, it just immediately reminded me of home. I found that working remotely, I have so much flexibility, but I also have discovered that I am so comfortable. I don't feel like I'm tied to an office desk. I'm working, but it doesn't feel like working because I have such easy access to the trails, to the lake. So it's just been such a comfortable fit for our family, and I'm really thankful for it.
I want people to work here. I want people to live here. I want people to dream here. I just want to share what we have with everybody else.